In the vast expanse of our modern skies, a new creature has taken flight, not born of flesh and feather, but of carbon fiber and code. This is the drone. Silent, observant, obedient to their code until misused. These mechanical marvels are reshaping our world, one buzz at a time. Like the earliest reptiles crawling from primordial waters, drones first emerged under the shadow of conflict.
Stand by for friendlies, but there'll be no mark. Stand by for friendlies. Oh, egress overhead. This is ready when you are. Ready? It's a vehicle, just shoot it. Rifle, 5 seconds, flash. Flash. 4-6, splash. Oh, no.
The 1990s saw their militarized birth, primitive, bulky, and designed for eyes-only reconnaissance. They adapted, grew lighter, smarter. Their wings shrank, their minds expanded, until they became accessible to civilians. Today, their evolution continues. Swarming drones mimic insects. Autonomous drones think on the wing. Like any successful species, they've diversified. Drones now inhabit nearly every environment. From the concrete jungles of Los Angeles to the remote plains of the Serengeti, wherever there is air, there is potential for them to thrive. In construction, they are indispensable scouts, measuring land, mapping terrain, and offering accurate assessments without disturbing the site. On farms, drones help monitor soil health, detect pest outbreaks, and even conduct precision spraying. Water use is drastically reduced. Efficiency becomes an evolutionary advantage. They carry more than cameras. They carry life. In Uganda, drones deliver blood supplies to rural clinics. In the US, they transport organs across congested cities, where seconds mean survival. They observe endangered herds from above, tracking migration without scaring off the very species they aim to protect. And with a flair for the aesthetic, drones elevate human storytelling. Whether capturing a couple's first kiss or the vast serenity of nature, they frame the world with new eyes. But not all drones flutter gently through sunlit skies. Some hunt in darkness. They smuggle illicit goods into prisons and across borders, unseen, unheard, unregulated. In the theatre of war, drones are both scouts and executioners. They offer nations a way to strike without boots on the ground.
What has changed?
As this species thrives, laws must evolve too.
I'll give you an example.
In the US, the FAA struggles to keep up. In Europe, drone corridors are emerging, highways in the sky. And what of privacy? Who draws the boundaries when eyes can perch just above your fence? We're at a critical point. We need regulations that protect people without stifling innovation. To coexist, we must learn to tame the skies, training, certifying, and watching the watchers. Though often greener than trucks or helicopters, drones are not guilt-free. Their batteries rely on rare earth metals. their disposal can poison the Earth they aim to protect. But evolution doesn't rest. New models seek harmony, crafted from biodegradable shells and powered by the sun. In the age of the drone, the sky is no longer the limit. It is the battleground, the marketplace, the emergency lane, and the gallery. Whether angels or adversaries, these silent sentinels of silicon are here to stay, and the way we choose to harness them will define the future of our skies.